The Filipino word PAKI. The Filipino word PAKI is a polite way of requesting or asking someone to do something. It is often used to soften commands or requests, making them more courteous. So PAKI is a prefix used before a verb to politely ask someone to do something. Let us have the following example sentences. Pakiabot ng asin. So please pass the salt. To abot means to, pakiabot means to pass. And then asin is the salt. Pakisara ng pinto kapag lumabas ka. Please close the door when you go out. So sara, that means to close, and then a pinto is a door. Labas is like to go out, or when you go out, labas, lumabas ka. You ka is you. Pakisara ng pinto kapag lumabas ka. Pakibigay ito kay nanay, salamat. So please give this to mother, thank you. Bigay, that means to give, ito is this. And nanay is mother, salamat is thank you. Pakibigay ito kay nanay, salamat. Pakiusap, pakihinaan ang tunog ng radyo. Please lower the volume of the radio. So hina means to tone down or decrease, and then tunog is like the sound or the level of volume of the radio. So a radio is a radio. Pakiusap, pakihinaan ang tunog ng radyo. Pakiakyat ng mga gamit sa itaas. Please bring the things upstairs. Akyat means to like climb, and then gamit is use, and then itaas is like upstairs. Pakiakyat ng mga gamit sa itaas. Next, example sentences. Pakitawag naman si tatay, nandito na ako. So please call father, I'm here now. Tawag means to call, and then tatay is father. Nandito is here. Ako is me, and then na is already. Pakitawag naman si tatay, nandito na ako. Pakiusap, hintayin mo ako ng sandali. Please wait for me for a moment. Pakiusap is like, please usap is like to say or to talk, conversation. Pakiusap. Please, hintay means to wait, and then sandali is like for a moment or for a while. Pakiusap, hintayin mo ako ng sandali. Pakitapon ng basura sa labas. Tapon means to throw, and then a basura is a trash. Labas is outside, so please throw the trash outside. Pakitapon ng basura sa labas. Pakikuha ng tubig sa kusina. Please get some water from the kitchen. So kuha, that means to get, and tubig is water, and then kusina is kitchen. Pakikuha ng tubig sa kusina. Pakilipat ng upuan malapit sa bintana. Please move the chair near the window. Lipat means to move or to change. Upuan is a chair, and then malapit, that's near, and then a bintana is a window. Pakilapit ng upuan malapit sa bintana. Pakitingnan kung may tao sa labas. Please check if someone is outside. To make tingin means to check or if to look. And then a tao is a person, and then labas, that's outside. Please check if someone is outside. Pakitingnan kung may tao sa labas. Pakisabi kay kuya na tawagan niya ako. Please tell brother, older brother, to call me. Sabi is like to tell or to say. Kuya is a brother, older brother. To make tawag means to call. Niya is he or she, and then ako is me. Pakisabi kay kuya na tawagan niya ako. Pakihulog ang sulat sa post office. Please drop the letter at the post office. To hulog means to drop or to release, and then a sulat is a letter, and of course post office. Pakihulog ang sulat sa post office. Pakiusap, dalhin mo ito kay ate. Please bring this to older sister. To make dala, that's the root word, is to bring, and then ito is this to older sister. Pakiusap, dalhin mo ito kay ate. Pakibuksan ang ilaw sa kwarto, madilim na. Please turn on the light in the room. It's getting dark. Bukas is the root word, that means to open or to turn on. And then an ilaw is a light, and then kwarto, that's room. When we say madilim, that's dark. So pakibuksan ang ilaw sa kwarto, madilim na. And that is all about the Filipino word PAKI. Maraming salamat for watching this video and see you in the next one.